Hi, welcome to another video by The Plant Life. Today we will explore San Francisco Botanical Garden. San Francisco has near-perfect weather for growing a wide variety of vegetation. The temperature in Fahrenheit normally ranges between mid-50s in the evening to mid-70s during the day throughout the year. In December and January, the lowest it will go is mid-40s in the evening. San Francisco Botanical Garden has an incredible selection of plants around the world. Today we'll be exploring Temperate Asia and New Zealand. Temperate Asia is home to iconic species such as bamboos and magnolias. It covers the rich regions of eastern China, Japan, and Korea. New Zealand, due to its isolation, boasts a unique flora with an astonishing 80% found nowhere else on Earth. If there are any houseplants or topics you want me to cover in future videos, feel free to put it in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to help with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching. Until next time, folks.